I'm actually in the lake of Rusauka. I'll show you how it looks when it is autumn. Simply like it's not as busy and packed like when it was summer, but still many people are coming for barbecue, of course, over there. And look at these colors of the tree. Maybe my camera cannot catch. This area is actually, you are allowed to have a grill tool, no grill vats. That's why some people having a, barbecue here. And here it's around. Some people are swimming in the cold. Dzień dobry. Good afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poland. Yes. Walking. Today is around 9 degrees or something. I decided to walk to the park and to the lake. It's just about few minutes from my apartment. It's normally during summer it was a very packed last time, many people. Now some people still coming, maybe most of them just walking to the park and exercising like running, riding bicycle, and some of them who really like cold water, they just jump and swimming to the lake. And the thing is that, like behind me, beach volleyball. It used to be a very busy and park, but nowadays nobody coming. It's very cold. I would like to stroll around, to take you to walk, enjoying how is the autumn, walking, under the trees, seeing the leaves changing colors. It's nice. From green change into yellow, red or orange. It's just like a totally different experience. And I remember that I explained to my student last time, and how it is. They asking me how it is like living in tropical country. I said that every day just like codziennie lato. 25 stopni 35. I said like that. So every day is just like summer. The degree is about 25 until 35 degree. They're just like, oh, Pani, take me to Bali one day. I said, yes, if you work hard during holiday and you can work part-time somewhere and you earn some money, probably you can come to Bali. I said like that. It's just like the opposite. For us, like Asian, really, saving up money to go to Europe, having a holiday to Europe, enjoying the ski and cold. But for some European, when it is cold, winter or autumn, getting ready to go to the tropical country, to go to the warmer country. So this is how it is. Simply that, many people really like outdoor activities. People walking, riding bicycle. Look at this one. The more I walk, the more I enjoy the nature. It's beautiful lake actually. I think that in this area, especially in the western Poland, there are so many beautiful lakes, just like this. This one in front of me is one of my favorite restaurants in Poland, Rusauka. But probably I will come here again with Damian. And if you remember over there, it used to be like a trampoline, a balloon, something like that. It's not exist now. So it's just like a seasonal thing. Over there is the beer restaurant. I don't know whether they have a coffee, but let's see. Many people are stopped there. They have a ice cream, go free, and beer and fish. Smell of the fresh fish. Yes, I was in the Rusauka. Actually, now I'm heading to the Dombrowskiego Street, still in Yesice district. I'm gonna showing you how it is. It's raining, Bangladesh. That's in front of me is Mannequin restaurant. I was there few weeks. Oh, the first time I come here. Now I'm taking you to the area of Yesice, still Yesice district, and here there are so many offices, kamenicha, just like this, and also there are some restaurants. Yeah, here in Yesice there are so many restaurants like this, pizza, pasta, lunch, and here whew, seems like the restaurant still closed. Chukir Pudir. I don't know what it is, but we just go strolling. It's open. Maybe I will go there to have a coffee. Look, I order one hot cappuccino and just call Francuski Yabukem. So like this one. And they also have a very nice cake. Look at this. And here it is. Nice. I would like to sit inside. Nice place. I ordered one hot cappuccino and this cake. Looks so good. And here is the place. So I keep walking and exploring the kamenicha, and as you see that wherever you go here in Yesice, restaurant, and here it is another kamenicha. Seems like it is offices like gabinete private, many place for work. And yeah, I would like to go there to stroll around. Yes, I just had my coffee. Every day I going out for the coffee, exploring, many nice coffee shop actually in the area of Yesice. I think that Poznań people, they have a coffee culture, that's why there are so many coffee shops. And then, yesterday I talked to Damian that maybe one day we should open one business regarding to the coffee and cake. We never say never. Keep walking and walking, and now in front of me is the Baltic building, another business building, and that's the Mercure Hotel in the front. Here on the left, another coffee shop. Maybe one day I will go there and to try. Looks busy. That is the Seratan Hotel. So yeah. This is how it looks in Poznań during the rush hour. So I just showing you this one, the kamenicha. Looks so nice. You see, nice looking and a brand new design. And look at the city, walking. It's clean. No rubbish, no plastic rubbish on the street. In front of me a nice, beautiful restaurant. That's the street. That was a mix of the old style building and also the modern architecture. And in front of me is the Ogród Zoologiczny. Used to be a zoo, old zoo. And they just keep it now for the children playground and some of the animals that are still there. But mostly the animals move to the new zoo next to Malta. We will go there to explore another restaurant, Eat Street actually in Yesice. Just look at this. You see so many colorful red, yellow, green, and here is a brand new apartment. Got a family phone call yesterday, and I spoke to my mom. Is that I'm so grateful, to see that how it is during Yesian or fall or autumn season. It's just really like when you watch the movie, the Netflix about autumn, and you will experience it in the real life. It's so nice, really. And living in Poznań especially is just like a mix of the old architecture like this. Looks like abandoned. That's the tram station over there. Like that also, you know, old building. And on the right side, nice brand new apartment. Like my husband Damian always said when he moved to Bali, maybe he only remember Poland is just about this one, the old communist block. But now changing a lot. So many you know, new changes. We are in a Kraskiego street. That's the one. And look at this, they will renovate it. The Kamienica will be look like this. And we will go home over there. And here is the Korean restaurant. Kimchi chicken, Korean fried chicken. You see, everything you can find here. And I already get change, and now I'm going to shopping. Because my rice, egg, and then, you know, some of the products already finished. I would like to go shopping for my groceries. This is the fruit section, and here is the price. And yeah, next to it is the bread of slab. So many choices. So many choices of the halab. Okay, and here is the price, and I think I will take this clam. Oh, okay. And then I will cut. No, not me, but the machine. This is how the machine. Fancy, right? Oh, so I cut for 13 minutes like this. So I'm showing to my mom, so my mom knows. So if you don't know how to make pierogi or any other products, so that's here. Kopitka, so many things just ready to eat. Like this. Even they have a tikka masala like this. So if you are lazy to cook or you have no time, you can just buy like this. Even they have a zapiekanka and also pizza. Yeah. Here kielbasa. You are in Poland, you know how it is. So many nice products. Kabanosh. My favorite one. And here is the selection of the meat. Ham. I'll take this one. Here is the cheese section. So many cheese. Gingerbread. Damian's favorite gingerbread. So I will take one for this one. This one is Damian's favorite one. And the rice, white rice. Oh, dobra. Fresh fruit. I mean fresh vegetable. Okay. Now is that so many drinks, actually non-alcoholic drink, just like this, best alcoholic. Interesting. This is my shopping today, 48 zloty. Time to go home. I think that's all my video today, guys. I think it's gonna rain soon. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.